At this long time I didn't speak English, so many vocabulary I don't remember.
Okay, but I could see that I'm impressed. This is your first class and you haven't spoken English for maybe a bit long, but you're still able to communicate a lot of words and you can still able to, try to explain a lot of things to me. So I'm very proud.
I tried hard.
You try hard. You did your best, and you deserve to be, praised. And then don't worry. I think only few things that you have to improve. You can already speak more, but only little about your grammar. And you know what's good about you? You can speak without a lot of pauses. So you can speak to not to your host. Oh, very nice.
So I should say I'm a host, or should I say I'm an MC?
Yeah, you can see you're an MC. An MC is like the person who will be there in different events and will introduce somebody or maybe go to a birthday party and will be the one to speak for the rest until that last part of the event. So yeah, you can call yourself an MC and the host for the day.
Oh, both is okay. Both are okay.
Yeah.
I just said I am I am a host, HOST.
Yeah.
Then foreigner friend will know what I'm doing. Yeah.
Yes, of
Host.
course.
Okay.
You can just say
Exhibition center. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and they just asked me to stand there and let others to take picture. They told me you don't have to say anything. You just stand there and let others to take picture. But when somebody come to maybe want to know more about the television, and I cannot help myself to speak to them. I will introduce the television because I think just stand there is boring. It's too boring. So I told you it's television. How nice it is. Oh, you can.
Okay, so for today, I've known a lot already from you. Let's get down to business. Okay?
Thank you. Okay.
Alright, let's go here. Let's go up first. Do you know already some features? Okay, here we go. The word reserve. Reserve.
Oh, reserve. Yeah, reserve. Yes, book. Reserve. I have a reservation like that.
Yes.
Yeah. When I go to hotel. Yeah, when I go to hotel, my first always say I have a reservation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a booking.
Oh, I have a
booking.
booking.
You can say yes.
A booking.
So that's booking because you check into the hotel.
Yes.
Check into the hotel.
Check out.
Right? And check out. Check in, check in, check out.
Oh, check in and check out. Okay.
Countries,
a few countries. I have been to a few countries.
Yes, not so many, right? Not so many vacation.
Wow, on vacation. Yeah, this topic, I like this topic. Because we don't have vacation outside for a long time.
Here, can you read this?
Oh, go sightseeing.
Yeah, I think sightseeing is an activity you do when you travel to other places and you just watch the beautiful view. Maybe you can take a picture and you move around the place with that sightseeing. That's an activity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Activity. Okay.
The next one here.
Buy souvenirs. I know souvenir. It's a little gift and a souvenir.
Can you say it again?
Souvenir.
Okay. Good. That's right. Little things. Oh, did you buy some souvenirs when you travel to those countries you have mentioned a while ago?
I want to be, I rent my house to other. How to say that?
Okay.
And earn money.
Landlord.
Huh?
Yeah, landlord.
Hello. Oh, landlord.
Landlord.
To owner.
Landlord is a person who owns a lot and a house. The land where the house is being built. Okay. And then the house itself, you also own it. Or you own a house, an apartment, a condominium. You let others to use it, and then they need to pay every month. Alright, so you want to become a landlord.
Yes. Get around the city by bus, cab, or train.
Yeah, I think this is what you need a while ago when you go to Italy. You can say, I get around the city by the high-speed rail.
Oh,
Yeah,
I get around the
by
city
boat.
by boat. Yeah. In Kaohsiung, we have a place called Longhu Tower. And what is Longhu Tower is they have a tower there, and the most interesting is they have two animals under the tower. One is dragon, one is tiger. So Longhu, Long means dragon in Chinese, Hu means tiger in Chinese. So that means dragon tiger tower. Yeah, like that. But actually this tower is near a lake, a big lake in Kaohsiung.
Moon Lake? Is it the Moon Lake?
Oh no, not Moon Lake. It's
Alright, so if you want to speak more or learn more, there are so many things. Maybe we could give you more words, more expressions in English, in practice, conversation, like dialogue, daily dialogue, like wherever you travel abroad, maybe traveling kind of topics, or even speaking in a normal.
here. Hi.
Alright, I think she's here.
Yeah, thank you, teacher.
We'll end it here. Thank you so much, Alice, okay? And see you around.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.